बसंती डोंट डांस इन फ्रंट ऑफ दीज डॉग्स. ओके, मैं हिंदी में बोलूंगा, तुम्हें उसे इंग्लिश में बोलना है, ठीक है? बसंती,
बसंती.
भाई ऐसे खड़े होकर बोलेगा. भाई तेरे हाथ हैं, तू ठाकुर नहीं है. भूल गया मेरे हाथ ही नहीं है. कह रहा बसंती, बसंती. व्हाई यू डूइंग लाइक दैट? You have.
Speak like this.
हाँ.
Changed.
Okay, हाँ, you are changed. Just think like that. You are changed. Okay. ठीक, बोलो.
बसंती.
हो गया.
Do not dance in front in this dog.
Front of these dogs. These. Okay. चलो मेरे साथ. You repeat after me. Dialogue after dialogue. बसंती.
Basanti,
don't dance in front of these dogs.
Don't dance this dog.
Don't dance in front of these dogs.
Don't dance this dog.
Don't dance in front of these dogs.
Basanti, don't dance
in front of these dogs. Okay. Basanti, don't dance in front of these dogs.
Don't dance in front of these dogs.
This Viru does not know English much. That's why this is happening. Okay, no problem. Clap for him. Nice. You tried well. Boosting your confidence. Next. But no problem. It's okay. I appreciate you, man.
My dialogue is Elvis bro.
Elvis bro.
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead.
You have moved in front of there. Can anyone speak in front of Elvis bro? Elvis bro.
Elvis bye. It is like Elvis bro. Go.
Elvis bro. Can anyone speak in Elvis bro?
Elvis bro. Yeah. So amazing. Really impressive, Pawan. Okay, next who is coming? Feel करो इसको अंदर से, यहाँ से निकलना चाहिए दोस्त. ठीक है? हाँ, feel it. Close your eyes and just imagine you are the Salman Khan, unmarried.
If you run after girl will run after money. If you run after money, girl will run after you.
It was quite good. Clap for it. Feel it. Again, एक बार feeling के साथ इसको जोरदार बोलो. If you run after a girl will run away from you. If you run after the money, the girl will run after you.
If you run after girl will run after money. If you run after money, girl will run after you.
Okay, that's good. No problem. Clap for him. Nice. Chalo, Aris, you come. Okay, Aris, your turn. So what is your dialogue?
My dialogue is from Puspa.
Okay.
Can I speak in Hindi?
No, I know that.
Puspa Raj will not bow down.
उल्टा कर दिया तूने तो. ये ऐसे करता है. पुष्पा राज, मैं झुकेगा नहीं साला. It is like that. Yes. So we will do it in English. Okay. पुष्पा. हाथ क्यों ले जा रहे हो ऊपर? अभी कहाँ, वो तो झुकेगा नहीं साला में आता है. तो पहले से खुजली हो रही है. पुष्पा राज झुकेगा नहीं मैं साला.
I did not say.
Okay. I for this dialogue you did not save. Okay. I am also not saved. Okay. Your hand will go like this. Okay. झुकेगा नहीं साला. It is like झुकेगा नहीं साला. It goes like that. Yes. Okay. Actions are good.
Yeah.
Okay. You repeat after me.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Puspa Raj, I will never bow down.
ना,
आवाज में गर्मी नहीं. पुष्पा राज कैरेक्टर युद्ध दमदार है भाई साहब, है ना? तुम कैसे स्मगलिंग करोगे? इस तरह से स्मगलिंग करोगे तो सीरू भाई तुमको उठा ले जाएंगे, है ना? फिर से एक बार करते हैं. पुष्पा राज, I will never bow down. It goes like that. I will never bow down. You are bowing down. You are moving. You are like pendulum, brother. Okay, one more time. Okay. चलो. Puspa Raj, I will never bow down. Clap for him. Very nice. Okay, now Aditya is here. What's your dialogue, Aditya?
I will give two dialogues.
Okay,
I
first.
prefer two dialogues.
Okay. You just go for
First
it.
one is serious and second one is laughable.
Okay. No problem.
Burnt is called fire. Extinguish is called ashes. From which ashes gunpowder is made is called Vishwanath.
Yeah. Good. I appreciate that, man. The second dialogue.
Second dialogue, sir.
Both nice.
Papa Ranjit.
You forgot there is a woman also. She can dial 1090. You will be jailed. These kind. It was nice, by the way. It was nice. Next, you would like to
My
come?
dialogue is a double movie.
It is from Dabba
It's
movie.
from double movie.
And what is the dialogue?
Nothing. It's dialogue in Sonakshi Sinha.
Okay, the dialogue.
I am not afraid of slap, sir. I am afraid of love.
Speak it with love.
Feel.
I'm not afraid of.
I'm
not afraid of slap.
sir.
I'm afraid of
I
love.
am afraid of love.
Again,
I
just
am-
behave like Sonakshi Sinha, na?
Feel like Lasoon.
Haan.
Okay. I am not afraid of slap, sir.
Haan.
I am afraid of love.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Get some. Okay. It is really awesome. Really dialogue. Okay, the voice tone should be deep. Ladke. It should be like that. He speaks from here. Amresh Puri always speaks from here. You need to remember this. It speaks from here.
Go, Simran, go.
So speak louder. Go, Simran, go. Live your life.
Go, Simran, go. Live your life.
This Amresh Puri has cancer. I said to speak from the throat, not removing the throat. Constipation. This. Okay. Let's. Wait.
Then after I will come.
This dialogue is very small. Okay. Go, Simran, go. Live your life.
Go, Simran, go.
When I say to speak from the throat, why you close your mouth? Go, Simran, go. Live your life.
Go, Simran, go. Live your life.
Don't put your head down. It will reflect on your.
Just have the eye contact to the camera. Say it to the camera.
Go, Simran, go. Live your life.
It is good. No problem. Clap for him. Yes. Next, I have car. I have bank balance. I have Bangalore. What do you have, my brother?
I have mom.
He's cheating. Okay, now you have to speak with the same tone. Become Amitabh Bachchan. Keep your hand like one here.
One year.
Yes. मेरे पास गाड़ी है, बंगला है, बैंक बैलेंस है. तुम्हारे पास क्या है?
Okay.
मेरे पास माँ है. चलो.
I have car, money, bangla. What do you have?
I have mother, my brother. Okay, nice. What's your dialogue?
My dialogue belongs to Sayensa.
Sensa. Okay.
Amitabh Bachchan.
रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
In relationship, I look like your father.
Look like not. I am your father. रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं. वो ये नहीं कहता कि रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप जैसे लगते हैं. Look like why?
I am your father.
I'm your father in the relation.
In relationship, I am the father of you. My name is Sayensa.
That's good. I like it. Clap for him.
Every father has a father, and we call him grandfather.
Yes! Nice. You stand like this, your hands, your face here, thick.
A person who lives in.
You see me once, okay? You see me, एक बार मुझे देखो. A person who lives in the limit always lives in the limit. Okay? A person who lives in the limit always lives in the limit.
A person who lives in the limit, who always he.
You just repeat after me. I am giving you the prant. Prant is the back dialogues a guy is speaking to make the actor or the main actor remember what is the script. Okay. You just listen me and repeat after me. A person who lives in the limit
A person who lives in the limit
always lives in the limit.
always lives in the limit.
Facial movements a little bit. Okay? जब तुम कहते हो always lives in the moment तो सर थोड़ा सा हिलना चाहिए. ठीक, फिर से. A person who lives in the limit
A person who lives in the limit
always lives in the limit.
always lives in the limit.
Okay, good, nice, clap it. Appreciate it. कुछ देर की खामोशी है, फिर कानों में शोर आएगा. तुम्हारा तो सिर्फ वक्त आया है, हमारा दौर आएगा. It is very awesome. Who would like to do with me? In Hindi we will do it. Somebody like to participate and copy this dialogue? Come, 2-3 people can come. कुछ देर की खामोशी है,
कुछ देर की खामोशी है,
फिर कानों में शोर आएगा.
फिर कानों में शोर आएगा.
तुम्हारा सिर्फ वक्त आया है,
तुम्हारा सिर्फ वक्त आया है,
हमारा दौर आएगा.
हमारा दौर आएगा.
क्या बात है बेटे, मजे जाम मान दिए. यस.